In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link color in Webflow. Whether you're creating a sleek, modern website or something more traditional, customizing your link colors can make a significant impact on your site's overall design and user experience. So let's dive right in and transform your web links into a visual treat. First things first, you'll want to start by selecting the link text you intend to change the color of. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that the adjustments you make will apply to the correct part of your web page. It might seem simple, but double-checking this can save you from unwanted changes later on. Once your link text is selected, it's time to move your attention to the Style Settings panel. This panel is like your personalized creative dashboard when working in Webflow, granting you access to a wide range of design elements and customization options. In the Style Settings, focus your gaze on the Typography section. Typography encompasses not just the type of font you're using, but also the visual dynamics of your text, including color. With the typography settings open, you'll see an option to change the color. Clicking on this will present you with either a color picker or a preset color palette, depending on your prior choices or theme settings within Webflow. Here you can select the color that best fits your design. The color picker allows you to experiment with different shades until you find the perfect hue that complements the rest of your site's theme. Feel free to test out multiple options to ensure optimum contrast and readability, especially if your website predominantly relies on a specific color scheme. Once you've made your selection, observe your link as it transforms to the chosen color, seamlessly integrating into your page's aesthetic. And just like that, you're done. Changing a link color in Webflow is straightforward, yet this simple adjustment can elevate your site's visual appeal and functionality. Before wrapping up, I encourage you to preview how the new link color appears on different devices. Webflow's responsive design tools make it easy to visualize how changes look on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. So take advantage of these to maintain a consistent user experience across all platforms. Remember, the small details can significantly influence how your audience perceives your site, so precision in design is key. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now ready to experiment with endless color possibilities in Webflow. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your web design projects.